Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall an application on your TCL V5C TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the top bar, then go to Settings. Then in Settings, select Apps. Then go to See All Apps option. Wait until the list of apps loads on your screen. And then select the application that you want to uninstall. Select Uninstall. Click OK. Wait until the app is uninstalled, and that's basically it. If you want to uninstall some system app, you cannot do it directly, but you can select it and then clear its data, and then disable this application to prevent it from consuming any more data on your device. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.